Hello guys, and welcome to a Hearns Hobbies Racing Live.
From the Knox track.
From the Knox.
Surprisingly in Knox, actually.
Aren't we? And we've had fun. We've had, what, 2 or 3 heats so far?
Yeah.
I've lost count.
It was a little bit wet this morning.
A little bit wetter around the edges?
Yeah.
It was muddy.
Yeah, it was shit. It was not good.
To put it polite. But anyway, and we even debuted the Dogfighter, to which it's been a fine machine. I haven't managed to break it yet, but I've got Tony Gray with me, and we've got Matt Jenkins and some of the Hearns racing team. Let's have a look around. I think you've got about 5 minutes before you're up.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to spin these cameras around here, mate. The cameras.
Here.
Here we go. Look at this.
Look at that.
So Tony Gray is in fact running the RO 1.0.
The Plastic Fantastic.
The Plastic Fantastic's been doing really good. Got some sweep tyres fitted on there, which is really nice. Running the 21.5 can. But it's running a silver can in 21.5 class.
It's about 30 years since I've run a silver can in anything.
But how good is it? So we've got a little bit of a rustic setup. Usually we wouldn't have mud and crap everywhere, but unfortunately it's sort of a bit of off-road. We've got the SO here that I'm running. We've got that there in the 2-wheel mod class. Got the Orca gear, the 8.5 in there.
So that's got some serious grunt. I drove that earlier and Jesus.
Goes all right, doesn't it?
Yeah. And
then
the
we have
Super Doggy.
The Super Dogfighter. So we've got the Blitztrine 3 in there, the 17.5. It's been an absolute... It's too much for this track and these 2-inch tyres, but we're having a bit of fun. Yeah, what is still in one piece?
Yes.
What is still in one piece? I have put the race wing on.
That's holding up really well considering what we've done to it.
I know, right?
Surprising.
Over here we've got Matty Jenkins. Let's see if we can have a quick word with Matty Jenkins. Matty Jenkins.
That's not a rude word.
Hello. Hello. We are here from Hearns Hobbies Racing, mate. How are you today?
Awesome.
Yeah, tell us about your day.
Am I taking that?
You can take that.
You take that for now.
About my day. Oh, it got better when Tony arrived.
It did, didn't it?
Yeah.
It did. So tell us a little bit about your car.
All right, well, it's the SO 2.0.
The SO 2.0, yep.
Yep, and we've got it running some Tendroids today, some sweet Tendroids. So we've got blue compound on the back and yellow on the rear. Nice.
I've not had these before.
They're nice and fresh.
Hey?
Beautifully.
They're going to work.
The joys of being a factory driver, huh?
Because there's quite a bit of moisture in the track still, they're hooking up really, really nicely. So
I think Matty's clutching at stores because I dusted him up last round TFG.
You did,
yeah,
yes.
well,
He did.
yeah, he's trying to pretend that didn't happen, but
that happened.
we know that it did.
I've got big
Yokomo
shoulders.
1
I
and
can
2,
live with
that's
it.
all we can do, huh?
I can live with all that.
I'm going to need to go up there on the track.
You forgot to mention I dusted him up in the first one.
Yeah, he did.
Oh,
He definitely
Not
did.
important.
No, that's right. All right, fine.
I need to get up and race.
All right, go and do
TFG's
this.
got to go race. Thanks for your time, Matty. All right. Oh, we've got the beloved deck van here today. Oh, hang on. I better get TFG's car. Do you know what you're doing here, old boy?
Yeah, Tom, I'm good with this bit. There's only a couple of things to
Put this in
do.
here, put that one there.
Yeah, we're good with that.
Bit of Velcro. Look at the man at work. Anybody would think you've done this before, TFG.
Only 35 years of experience. But luckily,
valuable.
most of it I've forgotten. Let's get out there. Go past the deck van.
We'll go have a look at the it's aptly named the Hearns Racing Deck Van. We even went on a mission before, didn't we? We visited the other club.
Well, yep.
EMCC.
We drove around in the deck
They got
van.
some banners out there. We got Nids, another Hearns Hobbies avid Friday afternoon watcher. He's over there doing some photos. So hi, Nids.
Let's get out there.
We've got Oscar,
So,
Hearns' second newest recruit.
yeah, because I'm the newest.
You are the newest one.
I don't know how that works.
Have you got your radio on, old boy?
Yeah, we're good. We're good.
Matteo, we are Hearns Hobbies Racing Live, mate. How are you, Matteo?
Good.
How's your Schumacher 4-wheel drive going?
It's going good. I broke
Am I?
both decks.
You both, yep.
Doing a big jump.
From crashing?
Well,
Crashing.
From crashing? Nothing wrong with the car?
No, car's good.
Car's good?
okay. All right,
You
that
just crashed too
changes.
much.
Yeah,
That's unfortunate.
it happens.
Yep.
Part of racing.
How's that other? What are you running 2-wheel drive as well, Matteo?
I'm getting my tool drive out now because I broke my 4-drive. I don't have spares for it, unfortunately.
Yep.
So I'll have to go back to the shop.
You should come and see us about some Yokomo stuff, mate.
Maybe.
Yeah?
See, I'll come down and visit you one day.
I'd love that. We would absolutely love to have Matteo in. So we've got Sevy out here. So this isn't your race, TFG?
Listen, they've changed the race format. They've got all the stadium trucks in
Well, how about we go in the pits?
and talk shit to some other people.
Yeah, how about we
Let's
go and
talk
start with Dogfighter?
We'll start with Dogfighter.
Hey, let's go for a walkabout over here.
I made that
Look
more
out,
difficult
there's a
than...
pole there, mate.
I know that. But
Just look out.
I made that way more difficult than it needed to be.
I know, but it looked impressive nonetheless.
Yeah.
We'll go find Defina.
Well,
And Ashley, you are live on Hearns' Facebook, mate. Say hello, you are live, so no swearing.
yes.
How's your day today, Ash?
Very good, thank you.
Sorry, I put the camera up your nose. I'm just trying to give you the microphone.
The mic. Am I meant to
Yeah,
hold it?
you can hold that, mate.
I don't know what to do with my hands. So,
What are you
we
running
were watching
today?
Talladega the other night. I'm running an oldish Yokomo in
Yes.
21 and a half.
How good is it? Are you TQ?
Very good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah?
he's
Both
in my
races.
race and he was way
Won both
quicker than I
races.
was.
Really?
Yeah.
He tried to take me out, but he he couldn't quite.
I
get it
did
done.
a reasonable job of it.
Yeah, no, you did a good job. I was too scared to pass you
Yeah,
again. So.
but at the time I didn't know it was you.
yeah. And if he'd known it me, he would have done a better job.
I would have
taking
done.
me
Oh, you would have been taken out big time. But that's all right.
Fantastic.
Next time around.
Well, good luck in, what is it now, Q4 and finals?
I think so. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yep.
Good luck.
Keep that Yokomo going well.
I'd know that ass crack anyway.
If,
Hey?
if there's a camera on,
That's right.
Yeah.
If there's a camera on, Aaron Defina is bending over.
Oh.
Mate, usually you unscrew the wheels for that sort of carry-on.
I'm lazy.
Yeah.
How's your day going, Aaron Defina?
Good.
I'm just going to stick a camera in your face.
Yeah.
it's a microphone.
A microphone and a
Hang-
camera.
hang on.
This is live.
You're still basically
What are you
injured
doing?
after your accident. Why is Connor not doing this?
Because Connor said I'm not going to do it.
How are you today, Aaron?
Good, Brett. How are you?
Yeah, I'm going good. Tell us a little bit about your day.
Been great. I've been watching this Yokomo thing go around.
Which one? The four-wheel?
Yeah, the four-wheel, your one.
The super doggy?
The Super,
The Super Dog.
Dogfighter?
It's been going pretty good.
Yeah?
Pretty happy. Motor seems to be going all right.
The Blitzstream 3 that the doctor sorted after me is screaming along. It's
Wow.
outperforming the chassis at this stage.
And your abilities.
And my abilities, it's
Well,
needless
that's
to
why I'm giving
say.
it to you because I've got no ability. So at least I've got to give it to somebody with an ability.
That's fantastic. And what are you running today?
I'm running a Lossy Double X. Well, I'm actually running your Lossy Double X.
That's right. I led it to Aaron, and he's. I'm going to come over and have a look at it
Go and have a
actually,
look
because it's
at
got
it.
some new additions in it, hasn't
Yes,
it?
it's got some new additions.
I can see it over here. Now this is the car I run TFG at the Vintage Bash.
Oh, okay.
So Defina
Even though it
has
says
lent this to me.
Defina on it.
Yeah, well he led it to me. It is clearly Aaron Defina's, but
Yeah.
my heritage with racing all started with a Lossy Double X. So when the Vintage Bash come about, Aaron said, "Have I got the car for you?" And I've run
And
this
there
2
it
years
is.
in a row.
Ni-
It's now got
nice new Orca
Orca
Speedy.
Totem stock spec speed controller, and we've also got a Blitzstream 2, 21.5 hanging out the back of it there, rear mount.
That should have some poke.
Yep, and Aaron being the doctor, it's got fans all over it. Unfortunately, I broke his last fan at the Vintage Bash. I was trailing it around, getting all caught up, but he's gone ahead and replaced that for me, so it's good. He's let him.
Yeah. And the
What's he
smallest tube of super glue. Oh, Zap. Yeah.
There you go. Probably fixed the body or something. He's got
Yeah.
his tied gear out the back of his ute. It's all very rustic today, isn't it?
It is.
It's like going back in time.
This is what it used to be like here at Knox 25, 30 years ago.
Absolutely it is. Let's go. Who else have we got? We better go over to the track and see a bit of on action, hey?
I think the stadium trucks around now, we've got Oscar running in that. New
We've got
addition to
Knox,
Hearns.
stalwart Peter Crow here
Yes.
as well. I won't interrupt. It looks like he's
No.
deep in conversation.
I think he actually still lives here.
I think so.
Yeah.
Every time I come, he's here. So I can only
He's
assume.
like a troll under the bridge.
But he does in fact have his car. I gather that's his car with P Crow on the number plates.
Yeah, that would be his. Look at this.
We've got Scoob over there, Andrew. So we've got Stadium Truck out now, which is good. It's a bit of a run, watch your
There's-
broadcast. We've
there's
got
Oscar.
Oscar.
We've got Oscar's
young
car.
Oscar Felding out there with his.
His first ever race meeting.
And
which
he's
is-
actually can steer.
Yeah.
The kid can steer now. He's got a lot of potential.
Yeah, he's
I
motored
think-
down a bit because he had a 3S pack in it earlier in
Oh,
the,
it's still got a bit of
but it's
legs.
still got a lot of power.
And it's got 8-scale buggy wheels on there, which is probably helping him every bit on his four-wheel drive VXL Rustler.
Considering this is his first race meeting, he's doing very, very well.
Oh,
Oh.
we'll put the commentator's curse on you, didn't you?
And we're moving him into a Yokomo for the next race meeting.
Absolutely. Oh, what's he done there? He's put on a display of it.
Yeah.
Aerobatics and gymnastics for us. There must only be a... We've got a bit of commentator's curse going there, young Oscar.
Yeah.
We're probably actually blocking the track
Yeah,
in all
well,
our wisdom.
well, there's a
blocking
fair bit of me. I block a lot of track.
Oh, look at this. We've got another Yokomo over here on the pit bench.
That one's in my race too.
Yeah, this is a SO 2.0. You can tell by the 13mm front shocks. I think this is young Charlie's car. I introduced myself before to him. It's good to see him out there. It's got the sweet tri-ribs on the front, tri-line on the rear. We haven't gone for ribs today on our cars because the Tendroids are performing just a little bit more gently.
I was very happy with them.
Very subtle. It's not understeering, not oversteering. They don't get caught on the ruts and bumps.
Right. And I can't tell the difference today.
Nice and progressive, huh?
I think that'll be fine for me. That's what I need. This is a nice low-key club meeting today.
Yeah, it is. Well, we've got the Vix on over in Baronia, haven't we?
Yeah,
just around the
on-road.
corner.
Yeah, that's about
So that's
10
the
minutes from here.
1/10. That's the 1/10 on road. So there'll be a lot of people over there, I imagine. So they
Yeah.
will be Q5 and qualifying, I think, for them over there today.
They're already into finals, I think.
Yeah,
Tony
yeah.
P said. So
Is Tony P over there? Is he?
he's
or-
over there now.
Yep.
Yep. He was going to come here, but changed his mind.
Well, he wants to see some more competitive action, I'm sure.
Yeah. Well, I think he's concerned that if he came here, we'd make him drive.
Well, there would
One
be
of
no
their
shadow
cars.
of a doubt. There'd
Yeah.
be no shadow of a doubt. He would
And that
be.
would
and
show
then-
up his lack of ability.
Well, he can actually steer pretty well.
Oh, he can.
You know, Tony P is quite the driver.
Yeah.
But yeah, he probably doesn't enjoy being put under the pressure.
Yeah.
So you've got about 2 minutes
Yeah.
until you're up on
I'm-
track. How are you
yeah.
feeling?
I'm psyching up.
You're getting.
We'll see.
Meanwhile, my phone's trying to ring.
Yeah.
There we go.
This should be a bit more grip than what I've had in the previous runs.
More grip, no rip. All right.
I noticed in the last run a couple of times I felt myself wanting more power, and I thought that's a good sign.
That's a good sign.
Good sign. Feeling a
with
bit more comfortable with the
And
car.
with a 540 silver can, I'm not surprised.
Yeah.
But that's what we used to race 30 years ago. That's where I started racing.
Yeah. And as did I.
And it was a nice, gentle way to go because the tyres lasted. It was gentle in the cars, but it was still
Yeah.
competitive. I mean, it was probably too competitive back in the
Yeah.
day, wasn't it? People buying boxes of
Boxes
boxes of motors,
Yeah.
and testing them. Look,
Yeah.
yes,
And
look.
I wouldn't be the first.
Oh, look, they've all got ribs. Maybe we've made a setup.
No. That's going to be my secret.
Is it?
Yeah.
All right. Let's
I'm
see
gonna
you
get
go.
my car
Take
ready.
2. Let's get your car ready, mate. You got to get up on stand and get a prime position. Look at Ashley McClurkin. He's got his race hair on. How do you make it stand up again after you've had your hat on, mate?
Oh, mate.
What do you do? I just saw you with a hat on.
It's top secret.
Did you just reapply some styling agent to it?
I just lifted the hat off.
No.
Right.
Good luck, Ash. Good luck. Good luck, mate.
Good start. Ready to go.
Oh, fine looking Yokomo there. Oh, good luck, TFG. Don't forget
Okay.
you're mic'd up, so keep the swearing to a bare
I'm
minimum.
mic'd up, so I've got to be very careful what I say.
And your flatulence as well. Just
yep.
muffle that for this race, mate. If I stand under here, Ash, am I annoying you?
But if Tony's on the stand, that's going to annoy me.
I'm walking up the driver's stand behind Pete Crow, which is fine because we're both the same speed. Very, very
Look at
slow.
this. We've got Jeff Biggity Biggs joining us on the broadcast. 45 seconds till the start of the race.
I'll drive you to the start and finish line.
Okay.
We're getting the crowd.
Where are you, TFG? Have a bit of a warm-up, mate. Tell me what you think about those tyres. I really sent you out on them so you could tell me if they're better or worse, so I know
Okay.
what I'm doing.
I think we're right so far. Apart from that. I've gone over the back fence.
I can see the wing. Can
Yet
you see
again.
it? Can you get back onto the track?
I don't think I can. I'll see if I can reverse. No.
No, it's bogged. Behind you there, please, mate.
There's a car
Go.
over there. And the race is about to start.
Oh, TFG's off to a bad start.
That's not good. The race is going and I'm over the back. Oh, someone else has joined me.
That's good.
Okay.
It's always nice to have a friend.
And we are off.
Unfortunately, my only friend is you, Ash.
All right.
Let's get right going.
Tell us what you're feeling out there, TFG.
He can't express it in words.
Words.
Here he comes. Single, double. Oh, it's a fine thing. Super quiet, that car. What a beautiful...
Yeah.
Aeromax super light pinion gear on there. Doing the business.
Oh, I forgot to talk because I was driving.
TFG's
I know what
not
it's like for the
commentating
race drivers
because
trying to
he's under the
commentate.
pump out there racing.
Oh no, is he?
He's coming down the back straight.
I'll get him for you. Oh, and we've done it. Oh,
Yes, he saved
he did
it.
a magnificent
He has
cartwheel
saved
there.
it.
I find it very difficult along the back straight to aim the car
I can hear him
correctly.
rattling away, which is good. The viewers at home will be hearing that because he's mic'd up. Here he comes over the double.
It is a great little car. It's cheap as, and it just performs really, really well. Well above my current abilities.
Oh, it's a fine thing.
Good thing is I can't hear Brett from here. I don't know if I'm talking over him or not.
Bouncing his way down the back straight. Looking really good there, kept it off. Hasn't gone over the front straight this time. Coming through the infield now, the bright yellow wheels making it easy for me to pick up on camera.
Okay, they called out the top three and I'm not there.
This is
Actually,
the
so I'm
RO
gonna try and put him
1.0,
off.
Aaron. This is the silver can bullet.
Yep, it's a silver can bullet.
Yeah, so this is out of the box. So it's got the factory oil, springs, everything. We've got some sweet Tendroids
We
bolted
did
on.
change the tyres on this.
It's on track today.
Yep.
Car for this
and,
run,
that's,
and it's
They seem to be gripping really well.
not too
yeah,
bad.
the silver can not pushing it too hard. Probably the car's biggest. Oh, TFG, what's
Oh,
he
no,
doing there?
that's all right.
Trying to ride the wall up the back straight.
Got Ash McClurkin next
The car
to me.
does
He's
come
not
for
used to
ease of maintenance
restraining
and
his,
build. Does come with a gear diff, so
vocal
an oil
housing.
filled gear diff, and we would predominantly use that
Yeah.
on a really, really high traction oil track or Astro. So probably the first tuning option I would
Everyone
recommend
watching
for an
is in
RO
the
in these
Tony's
conditions
really shit.
would in fact be
But yeah, look,
the ball
gotta
diff.
remember, I
And
haven't
that could be the
actually
same as out of the
driven an
current
off-road buggy for about
2.0.
5 or 6 years.
Can't we, Brett?
Yeah,
and
yeah,
I haven't
that goes
driven
straight
at this
in there.
track for 20.
All the parts pretty much
And I've
from
never
the
driven
current
this
two-wheel
car.
drive, the SO 2.0,
It's
are
a big learning
compatible
curve
and
today.
upgradable to the RO.
So we can just go into the shop.
But it's very enjoyable.
Yeah, you can
and
come and see
I think I'll be
myself.
back again fairly soon.
I can see we've got Sebby in the beard trying to sneak in here. Do you want to interview Seb? What's he doing? Seb, do you want to interview?
Oh, you were talking about the new car, so I figured there's the new car.
There is the new car.
Considering this
Tell
is
us about it.
an absolute entry-level car, it's actually really, really
Oh,
good.
sorry, your beard keeps distracting me. It keeps drawing my eye.
No, this is the SO 2.0. Got a few little changes to it.
Yep.
I've got some parts of the
really
track
get
down quite well.
This service, 'cause
Others,
17.5?
less so.
That's a pretty fancy steering servo you got in there.
it's really nice.
Hey, the MK575SL, I can see that.
I'm not officially a Yokomo on a Hearns drive.
I can see that you've got some tuning shims in the Ackerman plates, huh?
I do it for you.
A bit of Sebby secret.
That's it.
That's different.
Oh, look at the size of the front wing. That is massive. That is
Yeah,
monumental.
this is nice. I mean,
That is like a big moustache.
That's actually a B-Max.
oh,
B-Max
about to say I was getting the rhythm and
Yep.
I'm not.
Just to calm
There you go.
a little bit.
Yeah, is that the steel one or alloy?
I just let Ash go
Because
past.
you can get the steel
Not
ones as
deliberately.
well
I
that they
just
use for-
wasn't anywhere
And
near
I
the
really
racing
like the
line, and
steel ones.
amazingly
My
you
car's
were.
fitted with a steel one, yeah. Just keeps the front down when I wick up the two-wheel mod thing. It was wheel standing down the straight this morning trying to cartwheel
So
at
many
every
memories
opportunity.
of this track having driven.
And
here
you've got the
over
ribs on the
past
front too.
I do.
30 years.
I do.
I'm going to have to try them.
A lot
Silver
of it
ribs.
is still the same, but they
I've got
a couple
silver
of weeks
and
they're
I've got
tearing
blues
it
glued
up
up, ready to go.
build a whole new track
Yes.
for the first time in
Yes,
I don't
they
know
are,
how
aren't
long,
they?
so it'll be really interesting to see
Oh,
what they
stop
come
it.
up with. This is more
How's
a,
TFG going? Meanwhile, he's probably
traditional
commentating and running his own race up there.
off-road
Here he
track
comes now.
than the Keeler track that I normally run on.
How quiet is that car? It's no Shoemaker.
I'm going to shut up now because I can hear
That
Brett
sounds like
talking.
a bloody phaser getting around, doesn't it? Like a coffee grinder.
Coffee grinder.
Have you heard the Super Dogfighter get around?
No, not yet.
Wow.
What?
Oh, gorgeous. It's a thoroughbred. All right, guys. Well, that has been a bit of Hearns Hobbies live from the track. We are at Knox. Stay with us throughout the day, and we'll be a big photo dump towards the end of the day. We're having fun. Look at that. We've even got Pete Brady up on the stand. We've got Tony Gray, Ash McClurkin, and we've got Peter Crow. We've got about 150 years of RC driving experience up here. Congratulations, guys. TFG brought it home. No DNFs. We are good. Thanks for watching, guys.